Hello, this is a recording for Friday, February 20th. Today's practice is titled Whole Body Breathing. It is designed to help you become calm and energized all at once. As always, get settled in any comfortable position and start becoming aware of the whole front side of your body. The whole front of your body, from your toes to the top of your head. Now become aware of the back side of your body, the whole back side of the body, from head to toes. Now become aware of the whole right side of your body, the whole right side of the body at once. Shift your awareness to the left side of your body. Be aware of the whole left side of the body. Now bring your feeling awareness to the whole body at once. The whole body together. Awareness diffused over the whole body. Feel as if your whole body is breathing. Energy coming in, energy going out. A field of energy. Energy outside and inside your body, in a continual, effortless exchange. Whole body breathing. Whole body alive with energy. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I embody that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And continue with the rest of your day holding this calm yet energized state for as long as you can. And return to this practice anytime you need. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.